Hi, welcome dear students to sixth video of chapter 2. Today we are going to discuss the topic working with various apps. Okay. Previous class I explained different file formats, how you save your files in various drives, and how you are able to search also using the file format. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the topic working with various apps. Working with various apps, that is the how will you are able to work with various applications same time. For example, you are working with MS Word and the same time you are also listening music. Okay, so two tasks simultaneously. You working with MS Word and you also listening music. At the same time, you can also browse and search on the various topics on the internet. Okay, so this way you can minimize the application, and working with one applications you can watch audio, you can also listen music, you can audio and video can be play in a background and working with the various apps. Okay, so we can perform a number of tasks together while working on the computer. For example, when we working with a PowerPoint presentations, we can also search the various topics on the internet. We can also play music in the background, also watch movie minimized, and we can minimize the applications and work on the various application. Okay. So how will you able to accomplish this task? To do so, open a number of application. Okay, you can open numbers of application at same time. Thereafter you can first open a number of application. Thereafter you can minimize the open application you don't want to work on currently. Okay, keep only one application open and work on it. Okay, and now how will you switch between one application to another applications? So switching between open application between application windows, press alt plus tab key. Okay, for example, you have open Google Chrome, you are already using Opera, and various uh, files, working with various PowerPoint, Word, Excel. So you can move one file to another file. Okay, switch between one open windows. How will you switch between open windows? You just need to press alt plus tab key. Understood? You first you just need to follow the steps to see the result. For example, if you want to open PowerPoint, so open the application you want to work on for PowerPoint. Then open Google Chrome or web browser in your system to search for images. Okay, so you are working with a PowerPoint and you are also searching images from on web browser, that is a Google Chrome. Again, right click on the empty part on the taskbar, okay, and shortcut menu appears. Then click on the show windows side by side options. Thereafter, your application windows will appear side by side on the screen. If three applications are open, then they also appear in the same manner side by side. Okay, and you can create your presentation at the same time searching for suitable images. Okay, so to disable this view, simply right click again on the taskbar and choose undo show side by side option. In this way you can work on the open the multiple uh, application and also switch one application to another applications easily. Okay, I hope you understood how to work with a various app, work with the various apps. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.